am on my way to Sprinterfest. So today's Wednesday and Sprinterfest is on Saturday. I decided to go up early and see my daughter. Her 22nd birthday is tomorrow. I've been house sitting in Corvallis and also visiting with my friends for the past 2 weeks or so. It's kind of weird to stay in the same place. On my way to Portland, I am stopping in Albany to pick up some nylon binding for my screens. There's a place called the Rain Shed that's a great place to get outdoor fabric and notions. My sewing machine is at my friend's house in Corvallis, and so while I am here, I am upgrading all of my screens. When I first made my screens, I used quilt binding because the color was kind of fun, and that's what the fabric store had. But the magnets are too strong for the quilt binding, and they're starting to wear through the quilt binding, and so I am replacing all of the quilt binding for the nylon binding. The Rain Shed started out in Corvallis in one of my favorite neighborhoods and just a totally residential area, and I moved to Albany a few years ago. A really great shop. I can't wait to show it to you. This is the place to go if you need outdoor fabric. And this is what I came in here for. And of course you can always get this online. You do not have to come all the way to Albany, Oregon to get this. I've got my binding. I needed, gosh, 8.5 yards. And I met a woman there who has a Sprinter that they're building out, so that was fun. Encouraged her to come up for Sprinterfest. So I've got a great build out here. He said that his friend makes wine cellars and is the one who did the woodworking on this. It's just exquisite, even a custom step. Got a little coffee table that turns into a console for the front with cup holders, and they've got upgraded seats and just this beautiful woodwork. And all the details are just absolutely incredible. Charlie, and he's going to show us his bed. He's an engineer and a boat guy, so he's got great ideas. And then the table. He's like a trained monkey over here. So he's got a bar, and that just flips. The bar goes in, and it is a perfectly sturdy table. So those are completely built in. You've got the blind goes back behind, and so it's a complete blackout blind. So here's his theater. And he's on a complete 12-volt system. And what's cool about that is that this bench has a backrest that also becomes extra counter space. So he's got a huge kitchen on both sides. So we've got the kitchen sink side, and then we've got the stove. We've got a litter box and a scratching post, an oven, and a fridge. Okay, so he's got a barbecue out here. I forgot about that. Oh my gosh. Holy smokes, I totally forgot about that. And look at how sturdy everything is. Like it just flops down and it's completely sturdy. Charlie, where are you from?
I'm from Beaverton.
Beaverton, all right.
Yeah.
And he's got a great van. He's got kayaks on the top that were a kit that he put together. So that's how you see his. So if you see him on the road, flag him down, have him show you his van. Hey, I'm here with Ron with Six Moon Design, and he's got an amazing van. So we're starting in the garage, just because we're already outside. So Ron, what can you tell us about your van?
It's a 2012 Sprinter. I built it out mostly myself, and I built the back end so I can load a bike inside there and close the doors, and then access all of my tools that I need to without having to go dig them out. Because if you have to find something, you probably won't try to use it. The interior was all designed before the era of YouTube and all the other stuff that was available, which is good because I would probably wind up with one of those back beds, which I actually hate. And instead of I have a bed here which flips out and is used as a couch, converts to bed, and then back in here I have sleeping bags and other stuff for making the bed up. And so most of the stuff was DIY except for the cabinets I designed myself in CAD, and then I had somebody install them or build them and install them.
One of the cool things about this van is that it's a working space.
Yes.
So this is like a boardroom.
This is a full cabinet for my office. I keep computers and all kinds of stuff down in here. And this flips over, and then the table and the chairs flip around.
One of the reasons why he has this large screen TV is for presentations, correct?
Yeah, I go to trade shows or whatnot, hiker shows, and then I have a bunch of people in here, 6 people or more. Actually, people can actually sit up here. Counter space for laying stuff out. There's no sinks in here to keep things messy.
So what do you do for water?
Water, all the water I carry in here is just totally for drinking. For cleaning, I just use basically vinegar, and that's it. No other water. Water's 90% of the water used in the van is a waste. And so I got 12 gallons of capacity between the Berkey, some stuff underneath here, stuff in the back, and 12 gallons of water will last me 14 days or more boondocking.
Tell me what Six Moon Designs is.
We design and manufacture ultralight backpacking gear.
Well, thank you. Thanks
bet.
so much for sharing. I really appreciate those of you who stopped by coming and saying hello. It was really fun to see you, and I hope to see you again in the future. Well, I was the first one here and the very last one to leave. So that is a wrap for the 2018 Sprinterfest in Tualatin, Oregon. This is Joni with TheGalavan. Enjoy your journey.